What if I told you that the words you speak each day could change your life? Affirmations aren't just positive words. They are declarations. They are promises to yourself and to the universe. When you repeat these affirmations, you set the foundation for health, wealth, and happiness to flow into your life. Imagine starting every morning with affirmations like, I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am happy. Feel those words. Let them sink in. With every repetition, you're not just speaking, you're creating. You're building a belief system that aligns with your goals, your desires, and your future. But here's the secret. It's not just about saying the words. It's about feeling them. Visualize your life as you say these affirmations. Picture yourself living in abundance, thriving in perfect health, surrounded by joy. When you connect emotionally, the universe listens and responds. And don't forget, consistency is key. Affirmations, practiced daily, rewire your mind, helping you focus on what's possible, not what's lacking. Every time doubt creeps in, counter it with an affirmation. You have the power to change your narrative, one word at a time.